सगळी हाय जेली हायली पिली होटली आज आमगेले किचन पार्टी हा किचन पार्टी म्हणटकूच आज आमगेले स्पेशल फंक्शन हिंगा रोसिनी आज सध्या सेटअप चलत आमगेले ओके सगळे बिजी आहे सकाळ म्हणे सारखे आहे सीडी आहे सकाळी बिजी आहे सो आख्या प्रिपरेशन बिजी क्यों Here will be sitting the guest here all and then set up here. Madam busy.
Nadine, when you put your thing up front, just in the start, the coffee we said, man. Eh.
So guys, we are busy now. All right.
We are also busy. Yeah.
Busy. Here, ayo.
I'm also busy. Hello.
So we are busy now. Tonight we have a kitchen party. All right,
Can
guys.
you see the result later? What does the kitchen party look like?
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you later.
Alligator.
And now no smiling or what?
Now you're smiling.
You smile also first.
Okay.
So everyone is busy for the kitchen party. So we have fruit carving. Yeah.
We need a label.
Which label?
For example, the stand label.
If you have label, then you make label. No? Madam is busy for the setup. Madam also very busy. Yeah.
Follow the YouTube plenty vlogs.
So we are already done. Yeah. So already decoration. And then JJ also busy. Nadine also busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also here. TOD. What happened?
Hello, Morgan.
Morgan. What happened?
There's some chip bags.
I think smaller. Just make it smaller. This is too big.
Course. This one's for the main course.
This is for main course?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our condiments ready for the soup. Yeah. Then here, matcha is here. Matcha from Sri Lanka. This is from Goa. This bombo. Alright. So, Sarkya busy hai, Chora busy hai. Charlie's guest hai. Okay? Sarkya busy. It's not this one, right? Hey, what's this one?
Pak choy.
Wait, man.
Hello.
Yeah, this guy crying already for trolley. Check inside. Ask madam first. Okay? Action. So, Jordan is cutting the pineapple now for the guests tonight. Yeah, make it nice and sexy. Yeah. Oh, त्याच्याको मार. आणि मांडीत असं बरें को मांडे. Oh, सारखे. So जाणतो. इष्ट उभी दे. ओय, आणि इष्ट सगळ्या घाल. प्लेट इथे फुटलो प्लेट चेंज कर. दुसरी घाल. So फुटलो भी प्लेट कोणता आहे नाही. सगळे गार्बेज. हां. सारखे. सारखे वर केलं. सारखे कुकर झालं ना टँकर चेंज करांगे दुसरे घाल. बरेंगे कातरू जाय मोगन बायल माय बॉड माता तिक सद्या सेटअप जालें ना सांगसा मागीर दाखय तुमकां सगळें फूल सेटअप हेंचें की डेकोरेशन बीन गेलो हां हिंग येतलो तुगेलो चीज काउंटर ऑफ फूल हिंगा चीज सगळें कॉन्टिमेंट्स मागीर हिंग सुशी येतली सुशी मागीर स्टार्टर येतलो मागीर हिंग तुगेलें डिजर्ट मागीर हिंग तुगेलें पास्ता येतलें पास्ता मागीर सूप स्टेशन सूप मागीर बार फूल बार हियर वी मेक हियर DJ then here from the bar Mark is here then we make setup for the bar yeah bar it's nice and sexy
Here, the bombo class and the red. Then it's bigger. Then we remove this. Pero tatayo. Yung ginagawa namin. Tapos pupubar mo ito lang.
What are you thinking? Nothing? Okay, so आता याला अजून उठा आता स्टार्ट वाव नाइस सेटअप मैन बार वाव ये 12 सेटअप माल तेमेचे रोसिनी बितो वाव बरें शून मैन वेरी नाइस सामके पाके येला यो मैन सिमा थिंग कित करे थिंग सुपर कनेक्शन थिंग दिया
काढलो
प्लग इन हुई काढतो ते साइड नो मैं ते साइड दिता लांबो ओके हाँ ओके ए माले मरेंगे champagne. Ah? Okay. Guys, oh DJ Elinga, DJ के speaker है. Oh, बहुत strong तो. तेरा ऐसे ही ऐला रखना का. Extension ले ला. Extension ले ला. Oh, think ले ला extension. It's a kitchen party outside. Huh? Herzlich willkommen zu kitchen party of the Aida Stella. Bam bam. Preparation, still preparation. We remove the all plastic also from the decoration, yeah?
Yes, hello.
Ah, here.
Hi.
Abhijit here.
Hello.
Here, Abhijit.
Is that Calcutta?
Abhijit is from Kolkata. Yeah, so we remove the plastic all out now. Here, Madam talking to his best friend. जैसा काटा वीडियो अपन वैसे बिजी है अपन और फर्स्ट टाइम हम गेलो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट इन रोसिनी करना तुमका सो ये फर्स्ट टाइम ओके बिजी बाकी सर
तुगे आज दिसवाडा 500 रुपये झाले
अच्छा मग 5 रुपये घेता
500 युरो 500 रुपये
हां 500 युरो होय याचे
याचे हे झाले कलेक्शन
झाले
आता हे बोललो मरे डान्स टेक वेडला
तेरा मैं ओलोड भी जावा ना मरे
इलेक्ट्रिशियन आंबा है इंटरनेशनल इलेक्ट्रिशियन मारे बाबा
ए इंटरनेशनल इंगा इलेक्ट्रिशियन আছে ও अच्छा
हेलो
checking madam checking all the soup and started sushi all complete yeah
So, Innere Parmesan Chip, Pesto, Salat, Fischtomate, Räuber, Vinaigrette, Alright, sushi. Fish, chicken, veggie, wakame Salat, Sojasauce, Wasabi, Ingwer, and kein Sauce. Ja, warte. Oder mit
I wait you feel like vodka
Feige, Rossini, Salzstangen, Whisky. Eis.
make nice and sexy yeah
Jawohl, Dieter.
dessert checking madam dessert checking
Oh, das Bruttörtchen.
Yeah.
Bruttörtchen.
Yeah.
Mix den hier.
okay so Mark is ready for the soft drink and beer and alcohol why you hiding सगळे big boss so इथे checking होते हैं careful ये दारू है ये दारू बार and ये soup bar this one is the soup station then we have a pasta station here
David, ich habe aber gesagt, wenn da noch welche kommen, die soll es auch rein.
then we have a wine here wine chip cook F&B manager here we have a starter salad station yeah then we have a sushi here then here it's a bread station it's my bread so agle hai I think a big boss agle hai F&B manager chip cook my F&B director here cheese station yeah
Ich habe keine. Dort den Kuchen habe ich gemacht, aber sonst
Ice
haben wir
cupping,
die
fish.
Viecher gemacht. Ja, da drinnen da die Verallweise
so मागे याचे टेबल सेटिंग तेंगेले आखे फुल से मागे नाव हा मेनू चे नाव हा रोसिनी रेस्टोरेंट ओके आणि मागे याचे here setup
Then a little bit vinaigrette.
Then you make this on the top.
Briefing. Madam give briefing.
So maybe
What is
on
there?
the
What is
side,
there?
the chips on the top. And this maybe so. Others we can make when the first guest coming. I have it, okay? For the first time. But the guys, not all coming. 35 people coming here. The other guys make it here. The other guys here. The other guys go inside and else. Okay. So Malaski.
The lady.
From Taliban.
Lady in black.
Not the Taliban. You make him step by step rolling when the guest is coming, and him check us a little bit here that the guest can make, and he see what you make. Okay? Goodie. Then we have here the cheese and the bread station. The guest make itself. Okay? Then we go inside. So.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader.
Follow the head.
Follow the leader.
So the guest coming inside here.
Ja.
When he coming inside, go. Do you want Mozart drinking or the Uso? We have Uso. Then make it the guest drinking.
Yes. That's the plan.
This is the plan. You can also talk with the guest here. The guest can also is here coming inside. He can stay. No. Not that. You can drink water or the the guest coming also inside. When the guest need a main course, he coming here. And say, wow. Yeah. Here inside. We make one show plate. Make it here. And the guest can then talk and with a lamb or the calzfilet.
Yep.
We talk with you. Okay? And then make it immer step by step. Well, we have not 10 people coming in one time. We move with 2 or 4 people and make it the cold plate, make it here. Because when you make before, the guests have not this hand what we have. Okay? Then is here the ice station. It's coming later. Later is coming the ice. And then check also that the guest he can make self ice and then the ingredients and finish. And when we go outside, ask one more if she like to drink. Yes.
Yeah, this one is the DJ now. DJ already is here. It's video.
It's a video.
Ja, ich habe das hier bei 4 Personen gemacht.
Hallo. Hallo.
Bei dir waren wir schon.
Ja.
Bei dir waren wir schon.
Jetzt sitzt mal, hallo. Sitzen Sie hin, wo Sie möchten.
Again? Oh, Paco. Hallo.
So,
Hallo.
Moment.
Hallo.
Jetzt nicht mal. So, hallo. Jetzt nicht mal heute. Das ist schon zuerst.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Hallo. Hallo.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Hallo. Einmal so.
Hallo.
Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Hi. Bitte, mach ich doch gern.
Made.
Hey, it's me. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Made. I come from Indonesia.
Wow.
I'm the best person on board of Aida Stella. You happen to know that?
Wow, very good. Thank you very much.
It's very healthy.
So, wunderschönen guten Abend, liebe Gäste. Herzlich willkommen hier im Rossini Restaurant. Das ist unser erstes Mal Party auf die Aida Stella. Ich bin Mario Walter, ich bin Restaurantleiter von Rossini Restaurant. Danke, vielen Dank, dass Sie das hier als unser Gasthaus haben. Natürlich genießen haben. Weil wir lecker essen, natürlich vorbereitet mit unserem Kuchenset. Und auch der Cocktail auch dabei. Wir haben auch zwei Wein haben wir. Kollege Klein, ist wieder der Wein, dass Sie was gerne haben, rot oder weiß oder rosa?
Trainingsmanagerin von Rossini. Natürlich habe ich hier mein Mario, mein Zuschef von Rossini. Und wir haben uns was Schönes überlegt. Also, es gibt ja sogar Regeln, aber heute gibt es keine Regeln für Sie. Sie dürfen heute in die Küche rein. Sie können auch hier anrichten in der Küche, wenn Sie den Hauptgang selber anrichten möchten. Wir haben auch eine Eisstation später da. Sie können
So all the guests are come here now. They are ready for eating and drinking. It's party. It's a party time. It's now party time. Here, they're sitting here. Yeah. Hi. It's a party, kitchen party now in Rossini. Yes, it's a kitchen party now in Rossini. Yes, Madam is here.
Das Blogger, oder? Blogger oder mit Kamera?
So we are now in the Aida bar. Rossini. Yeah.
Aida Rossini Bar.
Aida Rossini bar. This is a white Mozart, some black Mozart, and then we have Uzo is a snack. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah, this is the baby lobster, and then Greggy is grilling the baby lobster. Yeah, man. So, stick. Yeah, well.
It's a black and white. Yes.
So you want to make mix? Yes,
Yeah,
you're right.
Tonight also must have black and white up there.
Tonight is black and white in any time.
Oh, perfect.
Wow.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Cheers. Cheers.
I'm the new sushi master.
So this is the new sushi master here, Made. Wow, nice skill, huh? Make it nice and sexy. Yeah.
Your way. It's summertime, season time to sway.
Laktostikas kazubiyaci rash काळीज खुशाल जाता घेऊन फोगाचो वास पायान माडून काडटा आमी निरा निर्याक सोरी भाटीन काडटा सोरो रुच तुका आयला जाल्यार चोडो कटली भरून घरा कडेन बरो 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 उराक आमचो बरो गोंयची फेणी फामाद गोंयचो सोरो बरो बरो उराक आमचो बरो गोंयची फेणी फामाद गोंयचो सोरो
Jenny गोंयकार आमी नाचपाक हुशार बेड हालून नाचोन संवसाराक दाखोवया भुरगीं जाणटी नेणटी तरणाटी कोणाक लज नाचतना सोगलीं नाचुया यो बाये नाच 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 तुका जाय तशें नाचून दाखय कोणाकूच लज नाचतना तुका जाय तिले बेड हालय Move your body till your heart be like daga daga. To the left, to the right, magir kains naka. Shake your body, shake it for me till I'm done with ya. Wind the body for me, a girl. Nuts by nuts. Nuts by two nuts. Nuts by nuts. Nuts by two nuts. Nuts by nuts.
I'll show you what I can do, boy. You better not run from me.
Run, run.
I can move those hips around and you're never gonna stop caressing me. Dance.
Hello guys, कशे आहे तुम्ही जेली हायली बिलिंग कावा झाले हे आमगेलो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट आसलो किचन पार्टी फर्स्ट टाइम केला स्टेला रोसिनी and then we finished now already so what are you talking so we finished already now we done yeah here JJ is here JJ how was the kitchen party very nice yeah
Very, very good.
very good
I'm working while drinking.
wow Yes, it was very nice. Yeah. So guest also happy. Guest happy जाली सगळी. Okay. So मागीर तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. Okay. God bless you तुमकां सगळ्यांक. Okay. So मोग आसूं सगळ्यांक तुमचो मोगाचो मारियो.